My name is Brian Judd, and I am a senior interior and architectural designer with the Element Group, and this is a look at my critique process. The first thing I do is I look at things that you can't change. On this one, this area down here is an addition. It can't change in size because it's an existing drive-through, so there's a whole roof structure with a second floor above it. The location of the door can change. The next thing I do is I look for columns. Those are things that for the most part you don't want to change. Though because of this addition and another vaulted ceiling, these 5 columns can be relocated. Then there's the bathrooms, which we try not to move. The original location is over here by the stair and also by the egress. That's a good position because it's easily accessible, but yet it's still kind of hidden away. There's a lot of hallways. It really adds up square footage, and I try to take space and give it back if I can, and because what we need is areas of engagement. These offices are all oversized, so all that square footage is going to really add up, and so I always look at what are the big items and can they be relocated. So then at this entry, you first come into a wall and you have to go left or right. Right from the beginning, you don't want the customer to have to make a decision like that. Going to one of the final designs, you can see that I kept the entryway to the right. You come in and you've got that coffee shop type of effect over on the left, which is going to feel very inviting. There's some curves in the ceiling. Curves help create flow and they make space feel wider. And there's that column that has to stay there. And then there's the other column that's acting as a divider for this teller bar. And we've got the feature wall on the right, feature wall on the left, a community wall. And this circle here is the ceiling raised up, kind of brings everything together, and it plays off of this curve at the entry. You can see the offices are going around the perimeter, the workroom's hidden in the corner. The conference room ended up in the center, and there's a graphic on the back wall of the CSR. The back wall of the teller becomes a portal with a big glass feature in the middle with a logo. Customer can see through this portal to the graphic on the back wall. That's kind of how I look at these things. How can I save space, give it back to the customer or member, and then I can move forward with trying to redesign the space. This was Unpacking a Design Critique. Thank you for watching.